Well, a church in Terre Haute will be rehabbed thanks to grant funding. Emmanuel Evangelical Lutheran Church in Terre Haute will make some repairs to the west wing of its building. Work will include cleaning the masonry and complete mortar joint repointing. There will also be around 300 bricks being replaced. This project is part of a larger effort to restore cultural and historic sites throughout the state. You can read about other locations receiving some funding and what their projects will involve by going to our website, mywabash Valley.